Hello, my friend. Welcome. I am new in the platform. Please press like and subscribe because this is very important for me. I want to grow with you. Let's start our lesson. You can speak English in a few minutes. Yes, really? Not perfect English, not fast English, but real English. Stay with me and speak with me. Do not just listen. I am yellow, you are blue. When I speak, you listen. When I stop, you speak. Are you ready? Let's start. Let us start. Both are correct. Anyway, say hello. Let's meet. Let us meet. Anyway, hello, my friend. Again, hello. Very good. Now say hi. Good. Now we make a small conversation. What is your name? Listen first. What is your name? Good. Again, please. What is your name? Nice. Now answer. I say, my name is Erkan. You can say your name. Hello, my name is Erkan. What is your name? You are speaking English. Yes, you are. Now the next question. Where are you from? Listen again and say, where are you from? Good. Now answer this question. I am from. I am from Turkey or different countries. Where are you from? Good. Again, please. Where are you from? Nice. You are speaking English. Yes, you are. Slowly, clearly. This is real English. Now, next. How are you? How are you? Good. Nice. Now, answer. I am fine. I am fine. Good. You can also say, I am good. Very good. Now, small, full conversation. Listen first. Hello. What is your name? Where are you from? How are you? Now we do it together. Hello. What is your name? Where are you from? How are you? I am fine or I am good. Stop. Look at this. 5 minutes ago, maybe you felt nervous. Now you had a conversation. It is simple, but it is real. You do not need big grammar. You do not need fast English. Just you need practice, but every day. 5 minutes. Again tomorrow. Listen, repeat, and speak. You are not late. You are not bad English. You are learning step by step. And you are improving. If you can say hello, if you can say your name. If you can say where are you from, you are speaking English. Do not wait to be perfect. Speak now. Slow is okay. Mistakes are okay. Silence is okay. Stopping is not okay. Keep going. Repeat again later. Come back tomorrow. We will speak again. 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. That is enough. You can speak English. Don't forget it. If you like this video, please subscribe and press like. This is very important for me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.